Blaze Elite. This is from Hobby or from Five Below. This was like $5. I got this a couple weeks ago or so. No, I got this last week actually. I got another one a couple weeks ago, and this is a little helicopter. The other one that I have is down here. I got it in my collection. It's right there. Actually, I see it, but it's not really that good. But this is another unboxing of the Blaze Elite Mint remote control helicopter from Five Below. I got them for like $5. I don't know if like depends on what location you are at, but at my location they're $5. $5 for something like this is actually pretty cool because it's actually pretty cool actually. Instructions, don't really need that. To charge it, you just, I guess, just put this thing in there. Hook it up to like a computer or something. And then this just takes batteries. That's like pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Peace.